Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to re-image the card for Kano to the latest version. Let's get to it. Alright, we're going to go to Microsoft Edge. Go in our search engine. Type Kano OS. Search. Go to developers.kano.me/downloads, which is right here. It's going to take a while for the website to load up. Go down to download. We're going to download Kano 4.2.0. Go to save as. Put that in our downloads folder and save. Okay, Kano is downloaded and it's also been extracted. Let's go to Start menu. Go to Win32 Disk Imager. Yes. Alright, click on the blue folder. Go to Desktop where we got the image. Open. Now we're going to write to the SD card, which is G. Make sure it's on the right drive. We're going to write to it. Hit yes to continue. And we'll be right back. And as you can see, it was a successful burn using Win32 Disk Imager. Now I'm going to take it up to my Raspberry Pi and see if this thing works. Let's get to it. Okay, we're in Kano right now. We're loading the newer version of Kano as we speak. Okay, my name.
Hello.
Uh, hello? Okay, we're going to activate the trackpad now, or the touchpad. We're click, there we go. Okay, we're connected to the network. This is the newer version of Kano. These guys know that I did a previous video a while back. This is the first time I'm recording the Raspberry Pi in high definition. Oops. Well, let's just create a new one. Okay, we're gonna accept the license agreement. We're gonna join the Kano world. Okay, we're logging up the dashboard for the first time with the new version of Kano. Okay, we got everything working. I did a video once before about adding apps to this operating system. You will be able to find that in a much earlier video. We're going to go ahead and shut this thing down and go from there. As you can see, it was relatively easy to fix Kano and get it working with a fresh install. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And catch you later.